If Samsung keyboards keeps closing itself when you are trying to type, then go to settings. You have to go to apps, tap on this icon here and make sure to select this option show system apps and then OK. Now from here we will look for Samsung keyboard. Open it, go to storage, select clear cache if it is available. For me, I have already cleared. Select clear data and then delete. So once you have done this one, if still this does not solve the issue, then again you have to go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, select this option reset all settings and then reset settings. You have to enter the pin code of your phone. Now once you reset your phone, then anything customization will be removed, and you also have to remember that Bluetooth devices that you have connected will be disconnected. Password of the Wi-Fi will be removed, so you have to know this one before you do it.